So, amidst the disappointing wave of fans that are going out of the Arun Jaitley Stadium, it was a very strange day to the first session that was there between Railways and Delhi at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Now, when we arrived at the stadium, there was a fevered frenzy. Everybody wanted to see Virat Kohli bat because we knew that he was going to come out to bat because one wicket had fallen. Yash Dhull and Sanath Sangwan were batting. When Yash Dhull was given out, the roof went off at the Arun Jaitley Stadium because after 13 years, Virat Kohli came out to bat in a Ranji Trophy. For 15 balls, Virat Kohli had ruled the Arun Jaitley Stadium like no one. Every defensive push was treated with absolute cheers. Every shot, there was a lot of noise. When he hit a four down the ground, the raptures, the fans were absolutely going bananas. Now, what happened? Himanshu Sangwan bowled a delivery. Virat Kohli played down the wrong line, and because of that, the off stump went cartwheeling. For someone to breach Virat Kohli's defense is not easy. Remember, in the BGT and in all the other series, in the BGT in particular, he was undone by the length and the misjudgment. No one breached his defense. Here he breached his defense, Himanshu Sangwan, the left armer. Now, Virat Kohli had batted for close to 45 minutes yesterday. That is 2 days ago. In that, 5 pacers, 3 right armers, 2 left armers. He had batted well against them. He also tackled 2 left arm spinners and 1 off spinner. But apparently when you came out in that, many people were mixed on it. They said that it was a great ball. Others said it was a bad shot. But clipping the top of off stump and knocking it, cartwheeling it out at the Arun Jaitley Stadium was a sight that many people just did not even anticipate that it would be there. So, what happened is, after he left out, the fans just poured out of the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Now, most of the fans that are there, they're just watching the game just for the experience bit. But apart from that, the main thing is Virat Kohli had to come to bat today. They wanted to see Virat bat. That has ended. Unfortunately, Virat falling for 6 of 15 balls. For the first time, he had come in the Ranji Trophy after 13 years. 12 if you look at the NKP Salve Challenger. It was not meant to be for Virat Kohli. The disappointment of the fans is palpable. But as I have said, in the Ranji Trophy, if you fail, you'll talk more. If you do well, you will talk more. So that is why it's a very double-edged sword that you're looking at this point in time. So yes, most of the fans whom I spoke to here are confident Virat Kohli will play at least until 2027. They are confident. So that is why this is going to be a big thing. Maybe he'll do well in the second innings. Maybe he doesn't do well in the second innings. Let's see how it pans out. But day one, it has been disappointment totally. So yep, not a good thing for Virat Kohli. Today it could have been Super Friday. But unfortunately, it was not meant to be. So thank you so much, folks, for joining us for this live. Subscribe to Sports Today for all the latest news and analysis.